Okay, welcome back you guys. Today we're gonna make one of our mega teas, and today I'm going to make a watermelon gusher. And what we're gonna use to do that is we're gonna use a lemon lime liftoff by Herbalife. We're going to use our lemon herbal tea concentrate, which is amazing, burns fat, boosts your energy. It's like rocket fuel for humans. Love this stuff. And we're going to use sugar-free strawberry watermelon drink mix. You can get them just about anywhere. And we're only going to use about half of this package. So we're going to start with a cup. We're going to put this in a to-go cup. I'm going to put just a little bit of warmish water in the bottom because that dissolves the tea just a little bit faster. We're going to make this layered so you'll see the different colors as we go up. We're going to start with the tea in the bottom, and we're going to put half a teaspoon, 1 serving of tea in the bottom of there, and stir that around. Get it nice and dissolved. And then one of the secrets to keeping the colors separated is to have really fine crushed ice. So I've taken some ice, I just put it in a Ziploc bag, and I use a little hammer or a rolling pin and lay it either on the tile inside or take it outside on the concrete and crush it up. So I've got it pretty crushed. We're gonna just fill the entire glass with ice. About like that. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to mix up our liftoff. So the next layer is gonna be green. And with this, guys, I just take a spoon or I whack it on the side of the counter because you can see that it's just a round tablet, effervescent, kind of like a Alka-Seltzer or something like that. And normally you just drop it in water and it dissolves, but I'm gonna crush it up here today so that it goes a lot faster for our video. And I'm gonna put that in just a little bit of water also. And you'll see it bubble up and fizz a little bit as it starts to dissolve. And then while that's dissolving, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up our top layer. So on the top layer, we're gonna have the strawberry watermelon. So I'm gonna cut the top of this off. And then I just pinch down to where I'm about halfway down what's in there. You don't really have to measure it, you can if you want. And I'm gonna pinch this so that only what's above my finger will pour out, and put about half of this in here. And then once you're sure that all of these are all the way dissolved, the next thing that we're gonna do is slowly pour, actually I want the pink in the middle. We're gonna slowly pour this pink into the middle of the ice, and the slower you pour, the more likely you are to make a mess. The slower you pour, the more likely it is to stay separated and not just mix up in the glass. Awesome. And I really hate a dirty workspace, so give me just a second here. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our lemon lime liftoff over the top. Again, nice and slow so that hopefully the colors stay separated a little bit. And there you go, watermelon gusher.